So the first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on start and then power, then select restart option. So this will restart your system. After restarting system, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below and expand human interface devices. From here you need to select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam library and check for the game. So I will show you. Just go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on controller, and here you need to select enable Steam input, and then check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, and here you need to select disable Steam input, and after that check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, here you need to select the game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the integrity of game files. Once done, now check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. So you should go to Steam, and here where you can see the play option, here there will be an update option. You simply need to click on update option, and once the game is updated, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. In the above section you can see enter big picture mode option is available. Simply click on it. Now after that, select your game, try to play it, and once it's launched, now click on Steam option, then click on power, then select exit big picture mode. After this, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you need to click on check for updates option. So it will check if any update is available, and once done, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So the link I have already given in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser, and then download and install DS4 Windows tool on your PC. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error. So go to your browser. It opens here. You need to click on download option. After that, go below, and from here click on download. Once you download the file, now install it, and after installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game once again and then check if the error is resolved or not. So these all are few suggested solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working on Dying Light the Beast game. So that's all for now. Thank you.